One of the strongest magnetic mounts I've ever seen for a car, truck, van, anything, anyone that wants to film content while driving a vehicle, this is something I recommend. Here, let me just do a little quick unboxing for you. So here's the actual pole itself. There's the suction cup mount. You can see it's a dual suction cup. Here's the magnetic mount, and I will go over all of this on a vehicle. Here's a little GoPro mount. There's two ways of doing it. You've got a quarter 20 mount right there, and this GoPro mount can screw in. I have the GoPro 360 cam here that also has a quarter 20 mount on the bottom. So I'm going to show you that feature as well. There's the little ram ball mount, the extension for holding it, and then the bracket and the other ram ball mount that this goes right here. You're going to need that to go in there like that. This little like Allen key, let me show you what this thing does. So what you're going to do, you take one of these little washers right here, and this is so your camera doesn't like vibrate loose. So you'll put that on there like that, and then you could either put this on there or you could screw it directly down to it like this. Now see, because I have that rubber washer on there, that is on there extremely strong. That's not going to come off. And this actually goes out, and this is all strong aluminum. This is not like cheap plastic, everybody. And to put this thing together, once you get all these on there, you really don't have to take them back apart. You just kind of like leave them the way you want it. See that? So you see how that suction cup goes just like that. Now I'm going to put the ram ball right there. And once you start screwing all of this down, this is going to mount open up right here. That's how that thing mounts. So what it does, this actually has a super strong magnet that sucks down to the top of any type of metal car or anything like that. These right here have this locking mechanism that locks into place. Obviously, it's not going to lock onto there. And it could hold winds well over hundreds of miles an hour. And if you ever have to replace this, that's why they give you this little magnet, this little Allen key right here. You can take these things off, replace them, and do whatever, move some different things around, but I don't really see a need for that. Right there is what I'm going to use it for, and you see how the action cam just mounts up there. So I got a 360 cam. This would be great for anyone that just wants to make some outdoor content, whether you're out in the desert doing some Baja, like I've ridden on one of those things. That was awesome. And you can do some jumps. This is not going to move. Let me take it out to my van and just kind of like do a quick little setup and show you what this thing looks like while it's mounted, because I think you're going to be impressed with this. So let's do that now. Watch this. So as soon as these magnets go on, they're locked into place. So you see the magnets are locked in right like that. Now what I'm going to do is bring the suction cups down right here. Now they need to be on a flat surface. Now once these are on a flat surface, put it to on right there, on to right there. No joke, I could almost move the entire vehicle. So there's the actual like finished product right here. What's this? So you want to loosen all of these up, and you can unscrew every one of these. Now look, that's a 360 cam, and it's mounted just like that. And it has this tripod top mount. They did a really good job on the design of this, because the magnets are strong enough where they don't damage the paint, but then they hold down enough to hold the back on. And then the actual like suction cups are a backup. Look at that. So I would start it, and actually if I'm inside the vehicle and I've got it on remote, I could easily start it and stop it using my remote. You want to tighten it down. Each one of these, once they're tightened down, they're not going anywhere. Tighten all these up. This is by far the most impressive like setup for action cams on a vehicle that I've ever seen. I highly recommend this, and I don't see any issues. This thing wouldn't work perfect for a wide variety of uses. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the tripod suction cup / magnetic mount for vehicles or for anything. See you on the next video.